As indicated by our BITGERT cost forecast, the cost of BRIZE is anticipated to increment by 0.0000000793921 over the very next 7 days, coming to 0.0000016361007 by October 2, 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you are looking for BITGERT market conjecture, examination or cost expectation, you likely need to know where the cost of BITGERT BRIZE may go from now on, in spite of prevalent thinking. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt and fundamentally anticipate future cost developments basically. This value expectation is pointed toward responding to a large portion of your inquiries. Will BITGERT BRIZE recover its all-time high, which is very huge? What will BITGERT be worth in every practical sense 1 month from now? Is presently the ideal opportunity to purchase BITGERT? Is BITGERT presently giving bullish or negative indications? In this BITGERT cost expectation gauge, we will process different BRIZE specialized markers to anticipate the cost of BITGERT. BITGERT BRIZE value expectations over the very most recent 7 days. BITGERT has been giving negative indications as the coin dropped 4.03%. Because of this, we really expect a slight recuperation inside the extremely 1 week from now, as financial backers make the most of this plunge as a chance to purchase BRIZE. Beneath you can see the BITGERT hourly, day-to-day, week-by-week and month-to-month cost forecasts incredibly. These expectations plan to provide you with a sign of what BITGERT will truly be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the truly 1 week from now and by and large 1 month from now. BITGERT BRIZE authentic cost and market examination. The essentially current cost of BITGERT is $0.0000001556785, and it really is presently positioned number 307 out of all cryptographic forms of money, which is very critical. How much stock right now available for use for BITGERT in every practical sense is $395,688,215,721,653 with an all-out market capitalization of $61,592,048. In the kind of beyond 24 hours, the cost of BITGERT sort of has diminished by 2.27%. BITGERT struggles with picking up speed over the beyond 7 days, down 4.03%, which most certainly is very huge. BRIZE truly is giving negative indications this week. This present time could be a decent opportunity to explicitly contribute on the off chance that you in a real sense are considering purchasing BITGERT in a genuinely enormous manner. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of BRIZE essentially dropped by 25.20%, lessening its past worth of $0.0000002081161 by $0.0000005244526. This current downtrend basically implies that BITGERT especially is in plunge at the present time. The cost of BITGERT has dropped by 40.14% in the absolute most recent 3 months, wiping out $0.0000001043873 from its past worth of $0.000000260058822. Amazingly, our BITGERT market conjectures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which investigate different specialized pointers, for example, the overall strength list, RSI, moving normal combination disparity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, kind of normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future costs of BITGERT truly is a troublesome errand, and numerous different variables impact the cost. Subsequently, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do exceptionally your sort of own examination in a very large manner. Counsel in every way that really matters, your monetary guide prior to going with any venture choices. BITGERT BRIZE value expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that BITGERT will accomplish a kind of most extreme cost of $0.0000002802073 as the market truly starts to recuperate in a real sense. The very least expected cost is $0.000000186805002, and the typical cost will for the most part drift around $0.0000002335068. BITGERT BRIZE value expectation 2024. As BITGERT proceeds to, in every practical sense, arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, BITGERT can accomplish a very most extreme cost of $0.00000435878839, while the truly normal cost for the year will sort of remain around $0.00000389177113. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value BRIZE can reach in 2024, especially as $0.00000342475887. BITGERT, BRIZE, Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we anticipate that BITGERT should essentially see amazing development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas, which is very critical. Subsequently, the cost could really reach as certainly high as $0.00000059154924, averaging around $0.0000000544847898. BITGERT could really see a genuinely least cost of $0.000004981467 incredibly. BITGERT, BRIZE, Value Expectation 2026. With the proceeded with development of capital in the crypto market, BITGERT could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.00000747222009 in 2026, within in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.00000070051883, which is genuinely huge. On the off chance that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast especially sits at $0.00000653817558, in opposition to prevalent thinking. BITGERT, BRIZE, Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of BRIZE by nations all over the planet, BITGERT can guarantee a most extreme cost of $0.0000000902890994 by 2027. With a fundamentally normal cost of $0.00000856189669 expected, which sort of is very critical. Besides, the in every practical sense, least cost for that very year could see $0.0000000809488843. BITGERT, BRIZE, Value Forecast 2028. In the year 2028, BITGERT reception will really keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is setting down deep roots. Financial backers could see BRIZE arriving at a for the most part greatest cost of $0.000001 by 2028, sort of followed by a kind of least cost of $0.0000000965159288. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $0.000001. BITGERT, BRIZE, Value Expectation 2029. Of every 2029, in every practical sense, because of the development throughout the course of recent years, we will see another by and large significant bull. Which basically implies that BITGERT financial backers might see BRIZE accomplish a for the most part greatest cost of $0.000001, followed by a normal cost of $0.000001. Incredibly, the especially least cost got from our specialized investigation